everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. I've been getting a ton of questions about, is it too late to sow poppy seeds? And you know what? I don't know. So I am going to do an experiment for all of you who didn't follow my instructions back in November and December to sow your poppy seeds in the late fall and have your poppies now and are not sure whether you should save them or not. I'll tell you, I learned how to do this from my former boss when I was an estate gardener 20 years ago. I'm not creating this seasonality that I go by. I just do this because it's habit and because I know it works. But so it never hurts to, try it at a different season and see what the result is. So I only have one area in my home garden that didn't get overseeded, and it was an oversight. I forgot to sow the seeds here. So I have Lauren's dark grape poppy. This is February somniferum. I also have a gourmet mix of mesclun for salad, and then I have a practically empty bag of radishes. So I'm going to do the radishes close to the edge, there's a salad behind that, and then scatter the Lauren's grape poppy kind of in the middle of this border, and I'll let you know how they do, whether we're in a time that's still good for seed sowing of poppies or if I've missed the mark. So we can all learn from this experiment. Alright, now I don't ever recommend mulching over top of poppies, but because I did the, right along the edge with radish and mesclun mix, I'm going to go ahead and get this bed looking spring fresh by applying a bag of my all-time favorite substrate, ground aged pine bark, sold at Home Depot as soil conditioner. And this is also really good because I have a camellia and a blueberry in here, and that is the perfect thing to put around the base of those plants because they're acid loving. Okay, so now we wait. I look forward to giving you updates on how this poppy sowing went the last week of February, something I have never done before. Thanks so much for watching.